developed a bit of an oil leak on the tractor, so let's go and investigate. It had definitely moving. Oh, going back on. Magic formula. That'll do. That's it.
Get it that, won't we? It will come this way now.
Yeah, well, this is a job we've never done before, so it looks like there's quite a bit of stuff to take off here before we can actually get to it. These air tanks will have to come off, and yeah, let's see how we get on. We're just going to sort of make it up as we're going along, I think. And basically just taking things off till there's nothing left in the way. Got the cab suspension up out of the way. The air tanks have just got tied up there. A bit of a Heath Robinson affair here, holding the cab up, but yeah, the oil drained out of it. This bracket can come off now, I think, out of the way. I'm going to have to take that pipe off to get to these bolts.
Gentle tap. I think it's starting to move. Let me get that in at the top and just as we winkle it, it'll come. There, she's coming. You're not going underneath that at any point, are you? I think. Aye.
Oh, she's out of gear. Mind yourself.
I'll just jump out of here.
Get out of the way. Oh, put the things away now. You were right about your balance.
So lower it down.
Oh yeah, go on, you twat.
That looks like fun.
Well, that should come out easy. Take that bolt out. That should come out as one piece.
Shim. Yeah. Krypton factor. That's not a bad
You can
idea.
stay there till we get it off.
Yeah, it'll come with it, won't it?
Yeah, by the powers of baling string.
John Deere string, that. Spline shaft.
Take the castle nut off. I think we should have those planetary gears out the way and then nobody loses any fingers.
Yeah. How would you propose to do that?
I don't know, but I don't want it to be my fingers that get lost. Right, mind your fingers.
When it comes to the day of reckoning, is your video on? The taper on that goes down.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, flat shoulder to the top.
Yeah.
Japan, that's what we like to hear. No China in a Fendt.
Eh? Where's it made? Japan. Made in Japan, not China. Like that.
Turn me on. So,
They're ready to come down.
yeah.
Fucking hell. That was a bit drastic. This could quite easily nip your fingers. Right, back off. Aha. That's why. There's a locking tab on there that has to fit in that nut. Right. Back on. I'm going to have to mark that, I think. Somehow, there'll be a way of doing it. But we don't know what it is, so we'll have to figure something out. Right. What we've got here is a castled nut here with slots in. Castles. So put a blob of blue on the top that should line up with that castellation in there, because on the underside of here there's a little tab sticking down, and that tab has to fit in that slot to prevent that nut from coming loose. So I'm going to try and get it on these splines in the right place so that when I lower it down, that tab fits inside that groove. Trial and error, I think. Well, after about 15 attempts, we've got it in and lined up. That seems pretty good. Now all I've got to do is throw it back on. We'll give it a bit clean up first. Bit of silicone gasket on there. We're about ready to go back together. Splendid. Give us some.
These casters feel better already because it's just growing itself there. Brilliant.
Get on. A bit further. Just wants a funny head, like, doesn't want much.
You vicious bastard. Come off the top ones now.
Ah, yeah, fuck. We'll get it back on. All we need to do now is bolt everything back up. See how we get on. Just remember what order to put everything in. About to put something on, then have to take it back off again. That's it. This bracket here is held on with two little M6 bolts down in here. And it's taken me about 40 minutes to get them two little fucking things in. Never mind. They're in. It'll be fun, won't it? Plan B, I think. I'll see if I can jack that up. Might have got it at that. Right, so that's everything back together. Air tanks are back on. Plastic trim all on. All we've got to do now is let it down level and check the oil. we're good to go. Oh, it's moving. There she goes. Well, it's managed to drive out of the workshop, so that's its warranty expired. That's it for this video. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.